In this video, we discuss histogram. A histogram is a two-dimensional graphical representation of continuous frequency distribution. In this case, rectangles are drawn with weights proportional to class intervals and heights proportional to the frequencies of respective classes. Firstly, discuss histogram for continuous grouped data. Histogram for continuous grouped data. Here is one question. Draw a histogram to represent the following: class interval 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40, and frequency 6, 9, 12, 10, 5. How draw? I explain step. Firstly, take suitable scales, mark the class interval on x-axis and frequency on a y-axis. I again repeat, taking suitable classes marks class interval on x-axis and frequencies on a y-axis. तो क्लास का 0, 8, 16, 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40. So starting with 0, then marks 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40 on x-axis. Equal distance check कर लो, 1 1 box है, each box 10 line है, equal distance and frequency है 6, 9, 12, 10, 5. तो 1 box को हम ले रहे हैं 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 on y-axis, 12 on equal distance. बेटा पॉइंट नोट कर लो. Scales chosen from both axes, x-axis and y-axis, need no be same. जरूरी नहीं सेम होना चाहिए. जहाँ पे हम 1 बॉक्स को 8 ले रहे हैं, जहाँ 1 बॉक्स को 2 ले रहे हैं. डिपेंड अपॉन क्वेश्चन, नॉट नीड टू सेम. Now draw the rectangles for the get required histogram. 0 to 8, 6. This is 6. Draw rectangle. Draw rectangle using the scale. 0 to 8 है 6. 8 to 16, 9. 8, 10 between here is a 9. Here draw now rectangle. 16 to 24, 12. 10 to this is 12. Now here draw rectangle. 16 to 24, 12. Next at 24 to 32, 10. This is 10. Here draw rectangle. And 32 to 45. 4, 6. This is a 5. Check कर लो. This is a 5. Understand? So this is required histogram. Histogram for continuous grouped data. Now we discuss discontinuous grouped data. Next example है discontinuous grouped data. For discontinuous grouped data. Here example, draw a histogram for the following class interval 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60. Frequency given 11 to 25, 21 to 38, 31 to 40, 13, 41 to 50, 10, 51 to 60, 5. In this case, class interval given are in exclusive form. In this intervals, class interval given in exclusive form. Check कर लो, discontinuous है 20 after that 21. In first question 0 to 8, 8 to 16 कंटिन्यूस था, एक्सक्लूसिव फॉर्म था. इन दिस क्वेश्चन इंक्लूसिव फॉर्म. तो फर्स्टली वी कन्वर्ट all into exclusive form. In this form, exclusive form in continuous form like this. This is continuous form 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24. Here is discontinuous form. Firstly change in continuous form. The adjustment factor half difference between upper limit of class interval and lower limits of next class interval. 20 upper limit, this next 21 difference 1 check कर लो. 30 31 difference 1, 40 41 difference 1. Difference between upper limit of class and lower limit of next class, that is equal to 1 by 2, mean 0.5. To convert given class interval in exclusive form, subtract the adjustment factor 0.5 from all lower limits and add to all upper limits. Subtract from lower limit and add to upper limit. So adjustment factor is 0.5. Then subtract from all lower limit. 11 minus 0.5, 21 minus 0.5, 31 minus 0.5, 41 minus 0.5, 51 minus 0.5. And add to upper limit 20 plus 0.5, 30 plus 0.5, 40 plus 0.5, 50 plus 0.5, 60 plus 0.5. After then 11 minus 0.5, 10.5, 20 plus 0.5, 20.5. Here 20.5. Here subtract कर लो 30.5. Here 30.5. Now 40.5. 41 minus 0.5, 40.5. 50.5. Here 50.5. 60.5. Okay. Now start marking class interval on x-axis and frequency on a y-axis. Then class interval 0, 10.5, 20.5, 30.5, 40.5, 50.5. Frequency table था 5, 8, 13, 10, 6. So we take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. मैंने पहले बताया. Now I again repeat. Scale chosen from both axes need not be same. Now note, in on x-axis 10.5 to 20.5, 25, 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5, each का जो equal distance है 10, 10, 10. बट इन फर्स्ट 0 to 10.5 थोड़ा डिफरेंस है, तो इसको हम जिग जैग कर्व दे देंगे. तो जिग जैग कर्व शो दैट ये जो है डिफरेंस है बाकियों के साथ, इसका ये बाकियों से थोड़ा अलग है. नो प्लॉट ऑन ग्राफ. फर्स्ट है 10.5 टू 20.5 तक 5, 4, 6 जी आ जाएगा 5. 10 लाइन है ना, 5 लाइन पे क्या हो जाएगा 5. अंडरस्टैंड. आफ्टर दैट 20.5 से 30.5 तक है 8. दिस इज 8. आफ्टर दैट ड्रा है रेक्टेंगल. नेक्स्ट है 13, 12, 13 हो गया. इसकी रेक्टेंगल हम क्या कर लेंगे कंप्लीट रेक्टेंगल. अंडरस्टैंड. आफ्टर देन 10. After then 6. Rectangle complete. Now this is a histogram. First example, I explain histogram for continuous group data. Second example, I explain this कंटिन्यूज ग्रुप डाटा। अंडरस्टैंड। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जब तक आप खुद प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इजीली। प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।